Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite day trading scenarios for trading Bitcoin. Let's hop over to Dudex now and I'll show you. We are in Dudex now. Dudex is a platform I'm using a lot recently. I'm liking it a lot. It is a purely Bitcoin against the US dollar trading platform. Very soon I'm going to be putting up a tutorial/review video to show you how to use it. But right now let's get over here to the chart and I'll show you my favorite day trading scenario for Bitcoin. When I'm day trading, I want to be getting in and out of trades as quickly as possible, and that's not to mean to rush anything, just in the least amount of time necessary with just profit after profit. So if we look at the chart now around the 6th of February period, we can see here there's in each candle there's not that much movement. Then if we go down to the 1 hour chart, bring that up. Here we are around the 6th February period, also the 7th. So if we look at this period here that I'm drawing the box over, this is what I want my chart to look like for day trading. And even if this can sometimes more even out, if you go down to the 30-minute chart, it can look even better. And for this sort of pattern, I'm going to be using my horizontal support and resistance lines. Let me just change the color of them there. And we can very easily draw them in. Just do the upper and lower. Then back around. Here and here, so another one here. You could keep going on with your support and resistance lines, but quite evident in this scenario, they held true candle after candle. This would be the sort of prime candle layout I'd be looking for in my day trading. Very soon I will be live streaming some of my day trading to give you a better picture of how to use the support and resistance lines in this scenario. But that is all for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick look at one of my favorite day trading scenarios. If you like the look of the platform I'm using, Dudex, I'm going to be getting some videos up on that very soon. One of my favorite parts, one of the reasons I'm using Dudex is very simple, as it is purely a Bitcoin against the US dollar trading platform. I just find it very simple to use because primarily the main cryptocurrency I would be trading is Bitcoin. So stay tuned for those videos. I will leave a referral link for Dudex in the description. But for today, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.